Hey guys, welcome back to DW's Chop Shop. This is a 98 Sportster that I picked up from an auction yesterday. And then over here, this is two frames, they're side by side. There's a titled 77 Ironhead frame, which means we're going to be throwing an Ironhead together. And there is a titled 99 Sportster frame. I don't know what we're going to do with that yet, we'll figure it out. But I got this for a really good price because they thought it was wrecked, and it was, but it's not that bad. So they thought there was frame damage. That is a raked neck, right? Now it does have some issues. For example, there is no belt, none of the brakes work. I have the mufflers, they're in a box. It was laid down on the left hand side, missing a headlight. We got a little crack here. There was no key. That fork looks like it might be bent a little bit. You know, the horn's a little damaged, some foot stuff's damaged here. It's all cosmetic, it's all shit that I have in a garage. But I just figured we could try to start this thing for the first time. There was no key, so I wired up a quick little switch. But first thing we're always going to want to do, anytime you get something like this, check the oil. With a rag. She's dry. She might have wet sumped. Okay. So, next thing you do is you come over to your shelf of shit and find something, anything. 2050 is what it takes. Fork oil. 2050. And I'm not going to put 3 quarts in. I just want to see if she'll fire. Honestly, it might have wet sumped also, so all this oil might be down inside the motor compartment, in which case it'll squirt back out and make a big mess. But it's still low. All right. Okay. And of course there was no key, so I wired a switch in off of the accessories right here, and we have power. Headlights lights turned on. Now it says we are not in neutral. There's no belt, so I have no idea. I don't even know if the gears work. Might need to look into that and see. I guess it ain't going anywhere. Fuel is on. Choke. Up here. Start. See what happens. Turns over pretty good. Let's see, do we have starting fluid? We do. She dead. We're going to throw her on a battery charger, leave her sit like that for a couple hours. Okay, so we let her sit on a charger for a minute. Let's see what happens. Choke, gas, power, button. Just for good measure. take it. That's not too bad. Yeah, come over here, check this out. Oh, I have some spark testers hooked up, and I think that's given us some issues when I go to give it throttle. So, should do something about that, because these don't click in real tight. All right. Let's give her another shot. There we go, that's choke off. Still didn't like throttle. We'll figure it out. We got the hard part done. She runs